I'm Daniela, and for today's video I have 3 styles of friendship bracelets. I did a poll here on the community tab and 73% of you voted that you wanted my next video to be about bracelets. So this one is coming specially for you guys, the ones that voted. Before we start, remember that the full list of supplies is in the description box below, as usual, and let's get started. For all the bracelets, I'm using these waxed cotton cords. Measure and cut 2 cords, one of each color, with 2 meters. I would even add a bit more if you have a larger wrist. Fold them both in half, and since I'll be using a button to close the bracelet, I'm doing a knot to create a loop where I'll put the button through later. Find something to clip it onto. I'm using a watercolor pad. Separate the cords, one color to each side, with the other 2 as filler cords. Grab the blue cord and make this S-like shape. Then cross the white one over it, bringing it under the middle cords and into the loop. Then tighten. Repeat the same thing, bend the blue cord over the middle ones in an S-like shape and cross the white one over it. Place it under the middle cords and into the loop on the right. Keep repeating this knot and you'll start to see the bracelet take shape. This is how the underside looks like. Once the bracelet is long enough for your wrist, cut the uneven ends and put them through a button. Make sure the button has 4 holes or 2 really big ones so the cord can fit. The holes on this button were a tiny bit small, so I had some difficulty, especially with the white cord, so I had to cut the ends at an angle to help me out. After you added the button, make a knot and cut the excess cords. And the first bracelet is on. If you want, you can also make this style of bracelet with a thicker cord or even double the cords. It will end up similar to this, which was one of my test versions. Cut 2 cords, one with 2.5 meters and another with 1 meter as the middle cord. Same as the first one, fold the cords in half and make a knot to fit the button later. the cords to a board and we're ready to start. For this bracelet we're going to be making square knots. Hold the left cord and fold it in half. Then place the right one over it and under the middle cords. In my case, the white ones. Then tighten it. Then grab one of the middle cords and get it out of the way by placing it upwards. Now make the other half of the square knot, this time starting on the right side. Fold the right cord and place the left one over it, under the cords in the middle and into the loop. Then tighten. Bring the white cord back down and repeat the first knot. Fold the left cord in half, place the right one over it, under the white cords in the middle, and in through the loop. Put one of the middle cords out of the way again and repeat the process, always doing one knot from the left and then the other one from the right. Once it has the perfect length, cut out the uneven ends of the cords. Put them through the buttonholes and tie a knot to secure. And voila, that's how you make this one. Start by cutting 2.5 cords in different colors. Fold the cords in half and make a knot at the top to create the loop for the button. Clip it onto a board and separate one cord of each color, one for the left side and another for the right. Make a knot with the blue cord, starting from the left side like this. Then repeat the same knot, this time from the right. Cross the cord over, then under the other ones and into the loop. Then tighten. Repeat with the white cord. Make a knot, starting this time from the right, since it's the side of the cord, and then another from the left. And tighten again. Keep repeating the process, making 2 knots on alternate sides until the bracelet has the right size for your wrist. Once you have that, same as the other ones, place the cords through a button and make a knot to secure. That's it! Last bracelet completed! Thank you so much for watching, and also thank you to my little sister for modeling this out for me. If you make one of these bracelets, make sure to tag me on Instagram at curlymade so I can see it and add it to my highlights where I keep all the projects that you send me. Before you leave, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!